What's up guys, it's Greta. I want to welcome you back to my channel. We are here doing yet again another hair tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to do some of my very favorite buns. They look great, they're easy, and you can just walk out of the house and look amazing. If you're ready to get started, let's begin. Today I'm going to demonstrate for you how I do 6 different buns, or top knots, or whatever you call them. So the very first one is my quickest and easiest, at least for me, that I wear to work out or just throw up if I need it totally out of my way. And here is how I do it. First, I'm going to start by taking all my hair upside down. So I'm gonna bring that all up into like a high ponytail. I have my hand holding it from behind, and I'm gonna go ahead and start twisting that. I'm gonna leave 2 fingers here, keep that twisted, wrap that around, pinch it in the thumb, twist it again. I'm gonna switch to have my thumb and my index finger in this loop that I've just created. Pull that tight, pinch that, grab, and pull through. So I've literally just tied my hair in a knot. I'm gonna twist that around. Take a hairband and just wrap it twice at the base. And that is my first bun. And you can move that around and do whatever you need to with that. I either bring pieces down or try and keep that slick and leave that up. But that is the first bun. It looks like that. Number 2, I'm calling the ballerina braided bun. And this is gonna start off with a really high ponytail that's right on the top of my head. I'm going to section this hair into 3 pieces, and I'm going to braid it in a regular 3-strand braid all the way down to the ends. I'm going to take a clear elastic and go ahead and just secure that at the bottom. I use clear because it blends into my hair, but if you have a different color, you can use whatever you want. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this tightly right around where my ponytail holder was. Now I'm gonna take a bobby pin and I'm going to place that right where my elastic is. I'm gonna use the flat side down towards the head. I'm not gonna open it. I'm just gonna stick it in, kind of wiggle it around, push that tight. Grab the next one, same thing, flat side down, not opening, just kind of sticking it in, wiggling it around, pushing it in. Just like 3 or 4 should be good. Your base is pretty tight and secure because you have that hair band in there. Then we can go ahead and pull some pieces out, pancake them to give this a different shape, and you can just literally adjust it how you'd like. You can adjust it more with different bobby pins. I'm going to pull this one down so it covers some of that elastic in the front. So this gives you a nice like braided bun. I like to do these kind of hairstyles on like the 2nd to 3rd day hair for me, where it's a little bit more drab and it's kind of like weighted down. It's not as light and airy, so I'll usually keep it pretty tight, and then this stays pretty tight, but for now it's kind of like puffing out a little bit. But anyway, this is the braided ballerina bun, and if you have any pieces that are sticking out, you can always use one of these, which is a hair pin versus a bobby pin, and that you can just poke right in there and put it over where the hair is sticking out, and then I'll take care of that. So this is our braided ballerina bun. Number 3 is going to be our ballerina rope braid bun. So I'm going to take my same ponytail, I'm going to split my hair in two, and I'm going to do a rope braid. So I'm going to twist both my sections of hair going the same direction and then twist them together in the opposite direction. And I'm going to do that all the way down to the end. Secure that with an elastic. Now we're going to do the same thing by twisting this one all the way around, and this is going to be our bun. So you can find which way you want it to go. You might want to twist it a little more, make it tighter, whatever you want. There we go. And again, we're going to secure this one with bobby pins. All right, so this one brings up a good example of when you'd want to use your hairpin versus your bobby pin. Here I have some hairs sticking out. This can go straight over top of those. And then hold that in place. So this one's fun because it gives you a little bit of a different look and texture to your regular bun. Now we're going to move on to our next section. So the first section was 3 with the ballerina bun. The first one being our regular ballerina bun, then we had our braided ballerina bun, and then we had our rope braid ballerina bun. Try and say that 3 times fast. So the second section we're going to do is pull through buns, or top knots, again, whatever you call them. So these are going to, again, start with a ponytail. So number 4 is going to be our pull through bun. All right, so this one is also going to start in a ponytail, but we're not going to pull it all the way through. So I'm going to flip my head over, bring it all up to a ponytail, and show you how I'm going to do this one. All right, so now that we're up in our ponytail, I'm going to go ahead and begin pulling this on. So it's going to go on once, twice, and on the third time, it's going to go just like that. We're going to leave this little loop, this tail, this, we're going to twist around and twist it around the other way. Just see what works best, what feels best. I had a couple hairs pulling the other direction, so I didn't want to do that. You're just going to bring this around, and you're actually going to go back to your hair elastic and sneak 2 fingers in underneath, if you can see, poking through underneath there. And you're going to grab the end and you're going to pull it through. And this is going to give you more of a messy pull through bun. So you got some little pieces falling out that gives it that messy look, and that is your pull through bun. This one's super easy and really secure, so if you're going to be going around, running around, working out, whatever, it's not really going to go anywhere. But again, it's more of a messy look, so if that's what you like. Now we're going to move on to our 5th bun, and this one is going to be our pull through rope braid bun. So again, we're starting in a ponytail, going around once, twice, and then just create your loop. You can do this as big or as little as you want. The littler it is, the shorter it will be on your head height-wise. The bigger it is, it might go kind of tall. So I leave it a little smaller. And then I'm gonna take the leftover hair here, split it in 2, and I'm gonna do my rope braid. Just gonna work this as far down as you can. Rope braids can be tricky because the hair does start sticking out. So just finish that where you can. And now you play around with this one. So maybe you want to go this direction. Maybe you want it to go the other direction. like that way. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and find my hair elastic underneath. Get 2 fingers in there, bring it underneath that hair, take the end, pull it through, and let go. So that just is gonna create another loop. And again, this is a messy kind of bun, so it's not gonna look perfect. The rope braid's just gonna add a little more texture and a different look to it. So that creates your pull through rope braid bun. All right, the 6th and final bun we're going to learn how to do today is the pull through braided bun. So you can do this one of 2 ways. Either you can use 2 elastics, pull it into a ponytail, leave it, braid it like we did the other time, and then take another one and do like our pull through method. Or you can veto the first hairband and just put your hair up to down, braid it, and then it's already together, but you're gonna pull it up into a ponytail and then do the pull through method. So I'm gonna show you how to do it with 2 hairbands, and that is going to make it so it's super secure and it's not gonna go anywhere. And it's just gonna last all day long, even if you do a light bit of exercising. So here is our number 6, the pull through braided bun. All right, so I'm going to pull it up into a high pony. Secure that right where you want it. Okay, we're gonna braid this. Secure the ends with an elastic. And now we're gonna do the pull through. So just like we did before, 1, 2, all the way through. And then on the 3rd round, only partially. That was a little much. So there you can already see this has a little bit of a different texture to it, and the rest of it is gonna come around. You're gonna find your elastic. Preferably you're gonna grab the loop, one of the 2 loops that we did in the beginning rather than the 3rd loop that is around where the hair only goes halfway through. So pull that through just a bit to secure the ends, and there we go. Adjust with bobby pins or pulling the braid apart as needed or desired. I've got some crazy hair spewing out, so I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that with some bobby pins. But first I just wanna pull some of this out, give a little more volume on that side. Just gonna use one of our hair pins and just pop that in there. It stays right there. And there you have our last bun, our pull through braided bun. All right guys, that concludes our 6 different types of hair buns, messy buns, knots, up knots, top knots, all those things. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below telling me which one is your favorite, which one you can't wait to try, or if any of these were new to you. Make sure to give this video a like so you keep that in your like sections and you can refer to it quickly and easily. And I want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my YouTube videos, as I do a lot of hair tutorials as well as clean beauty product reviews and minimalist videos. Make sure you keep up to date with all my videos by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. And again, I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye guys!